Yeah. So now we need to go into the sale order here. Okay, so now we have the copy control for all these things. Okay, so now we need to create a sale order with the reference of quotation, and also we can see how the document flow is reflecting and how the sale order is okay, so giving a reflection. We can see that. Okay, everything. So just go back. Okay, just go back here. So let's re-log in again. Okay, yes. So we have a new type here. So what is that type? So DOR we just created as a new. So with that we can create a new order, because the sale order is the prime here. So inquiry and quotation is almost like a internal elements here. Okay, so let's re-log in here. Okay, so let me go for the T code. Okay, the T code for the sale order is right VA01, right? We are going for the final edge of sales document here. Okay, VA01 and enter. Okay, so there we have the sales documents and all these things over here in this particular condition. Okay, so we can see this particular order type here. Okay, order type we have already. What is that order type? It is TOR, and we need to give the organization and all these things. Okay, give this data, so distribution channel and division, all these things as usual, and go with the reference. Okay, I think okay, so this TOR is not having this particular combination. It is fine. So click on that and maintain this. Okay, maintain this condition here. Okay, so go with a new entry. Okay, so the data. Okay, so X1 and X1, and now the sales document type is TOR. Okay, so we are just going to have for this. Okay, enter. Okay, and save. Okay, done. Now you can go back here. Back. Okay, yes, we have seen here. So now the condition. Okay, you can now you can go with the create with reference. Now it will allow here. You can just go with the create with reference here. Okay, now you can able to. Okay, I need to go back and come. Sorry. Go to VA01 and enter. Okay, now you can go with the create with reference. Okay, it will allow here. So now it's time for the quotation. Okay, so we are going to copy this particular quotation over here. So we are going to have the quotation here. Sorry. So I think I don't remember this quotation number. Okay, so we can able to find that. So go and find this quotation here. Okay, so the document type is TQT and enter. Okay, so only one document we just created. You can see the document is over here. Okay, just double click on that and just give a copy. Okay, just give a copy over here. Okay, so the TQT and TOR is not supported. Okay, maybe we just copied from the standard. Maybe the standard is not having this combination. Okay, it's fine. We can do the copy control. We already know about that. Okay, it's not a big thing for us. Okay, so let's go for it. Okay, go for this. So where we need to go? We need to go for the configuration, right? So let's go for the configuration. So SPRO, so reference, and there you can able to go for the sales and distribution. Okay, we have to go for the sales, and there you have the copy control for the sales document. So just go for this copy control for the sales document here, and there you have two options already we have seen. Okay, for the inquiry and quotation, you can see the sales document to sales document, we have a connection here. So just execute this one. Yes, you have the source and target over here. You can see the source and target, you have the option. So you need to find out the standard quotation and the order type. So we can just copy that, it is easy. So go for this position here and let's find this particular thing. So QT to OR, enter. Yes, there you are. You can see this is the combination we need actually. So even this is what we just copied also. So let's do this for the so our own document types. Okay, let's do that. So go for a copy here. Okay, just go for a copy. Okay, and let's give the source. What is the source we have? It is TQT. And what is our target here? So the target will be TOR. Okay, so this is the target over here. Okay, one is TQT and one is TOR. Okay, this is the actual combination what we have over here. And these all things are same. Okay, these all things are same, so there is no difference on that. Okay, so we can able to put on that. So just give this enter. Okay, so yes, so copy. Okay, so done. Now you can see it was copied. Okay. Sorry. So now you can see the source and this target has been copied over here. Okay, this is what actually we need. Okay, this is common for all the sales document type. Okay, this is not new for us. So let's get into this. Okay, save. Okay, save. Okay, so now we have the source and target which is ready for this particular case here. Okay, so now we can try it up. So let's go for VA01 now. So VA01 and enter, and there you can able to go for the create with reference, give the quotation number here, just give the quotation number and just make a copy. So we will get copy automatically. But you can see when we normally copy from inquiry and all these things, so you will be getting a copy, just it will show only the front page. Now you can see, okay, when we are coming to this particular thing in sale order, automatically it is showing the availability screen. You can see the availability. Why it is automatically going for the availability? In the sense, very simple. For an example, you are going to create an order here. Okay, so we are going to create an order over here. Okay, it's a sale order, right? The sale order needs to check the availability because inquiry and quotation doesn't need the availability here. Why? Because okay, it is not going to ship or it's not going to bill. But here we need to ship and we need to bill. For that I need to understand the deliverable. So whether the item is available or not, or if it is not available, then what I need to do, everything I need to get this one. Okay, you can see that. Okay, so the required delivery date is showing as 18, so means tomorrow. So it is saying that the confirmed quantity is 0. It is saying that the confirmed quantity is 0, and it is not stopping at that point. Okay, it is saying that, so there is a proposal, it is giving a proposal over here. It cannot be delivered on 18. Okay, it can be delivered on 21st 12, the 2 quantity. It is giving a proposal for me. So it is giving a proposal for me. You can see it is not able to deliver on 18/12. So it can be delivered on only on 21/12. It is automatically giving me a proposal. Means it is very clear that this item is not having a stock. We don't have a stock of this material now. So it needs 2 days or 3 days to produce that product. For an example, I'll show you the case how it is calculating. You can take this material, copy this material and open a new tab. First of all, you can check the stock, okay, whether it is saying right or wrong. So what is the T code you need to go for is, okay, you need to go for MMBE. So this is a common T code for checking a stock of single item. Okay, so go for that. Okay, just give an enter. Okay, and just give the material. Okay, this is the material we want here. Okay, and what you can do, just give an execute. It will find out the stock. And you can see this is stock here. You can see unrestricted use. Okay, this unrestricted use means it's open stock. Open stock, you can see that there is no open stock is available. You can see this is completely empty. The open stock is not available. You can see there is no stock at all. Okay, no stock at all. Okay, then you can see, okay, so it is giving right. Okay, this is saying that yes, it is right. It is saying that yes, it is not available. But it is saying that it can be done on 21/12. You can see that it is confirming on 21/12. It means, so 2 or 3 days. It is saying that 2 or 3 days. How this 2 or 3 days is happening? Let's take this material and go to the metal master. Let's check, okay, how it is coming. I'll just explain you. So go to MM02. Okay, check the material. This material. Okay, so just go for the plant. So plant wise. Okay, so go for the plant. Okay, go for this MRP. Okay, go for this MRP view, and there, okay, so there we maintained, okay, how many days here? Okay, this is what we maintain, right? So you can see we maintain here for in-house production. Okay, for production it will take 3 days. We mentioned here that is what the system is taking over here. Very simple concept. Okay, the system is checking initially for the stock. Maybe we can able to deliver tomorrow or not. No, it cannot be possible because we don't have a stock. So we need to produce that, right? We need to produce that. So we already mentioned that if you want to start a production, so it needs 3 days to complete a product, means this product. It needs 3 days, okay? It needs 3 days to produce that product. So it takes 3 days here. So today is 17, so 18, 19, 20, so 3 days. So 21st we can able to deliver to the customer. To the customer, okay? That is what it is mentioning over here. So within 3 days we can able to deliver over here. Yes, we are getting the condition over here. Okay, so now if it is okay, what we can do, we can give a delivery proposal here. Automatically it will get adapt to this particular condition. Okay, yes, give a delivery proposal. Okay, so automatically it will be adapted. Now you can see the copy control is automatically happening over here. Okay, so same thing like an inquiry and quotation, everything will be automatically copied over here, all the conditions, everything here. Okay, so maybe I'll check the incompletion here also. Okay, go for edit and check the incompletion here also. Definitely the completion will be there for this. Okay, the first thing it is asking for a reference. The previously it is not asked for the reference, right? Okay, so now it is asking for a reference. Why? Because so this is a customer order. This customer reference is nothing but the purchase order. Because if any customer wants to buy a product from us, so they want to give a valid purchase order to us. Okay, they need to give a valid purchase order to us. So that purchase order number is what it's asking. Maybe I'll put, okay, so PO number something, I'll put like this, and I'll put the date here. Okay, what is the date I'm getting the PO? So maybe I'm getting yesterday 16/12/2023. I'll just put like this. You can see again, so the 3 things are so it's not okay, it's coming on incompletion, means for this order type, for this particular sales order type, okay, that particular incompletion procedure is still there. And also the item category is different. For this sales document, the item category is entirely different. Okay, so you need to look into every aspect, then only you will get a solution. So now we can apply this. Okay, this is not a problem, we can just apply this. Okay, I'll put the encode terms and I'll put some area, and you can put the weight. Okay, I'll put some weight over here and enter. Okay, so now you can able to see the document is completed. Okay, I think it is sorry, so I think it is asking some more thing also. Okay, let me check that, what is that actually. Okay, so there is something is missing in the procedure. I think it is in the pricing procedure. So let me get into that and let's see that what is inside that. Okay, so let me go for this procedure. Let's see this condition here. Okay, yes, so there is something is missing over here. So that is the problem here. Okay, let me check that. I think for our document type, I think something is the pricing procedure is something wrong. Okay, no issues. So we will try to assign a different procedure. Okay, then we can see detail in the procedure column here. So here I'll just assign some procedure here. I'll just explain this later, okay, very deeper, because this is one of the important case we don't want to see in hurry-burry. So let's do this separately. Okay, set pricing procedure for order type. Okay, so let's have this one. Let's see that. Okay, so what is that TOR? Okay, TOR has some procedure. Okay, some procedure over here. Okay, it is already there, it's fine, no issues at all. Okay, so then we can go for the price determination. Okay, I think what is available for our organization here, what we have just put. So we have put something called delta. Okay, I think we can put something which is usual. We can change this one. Okay, maybe I'll just put this one. Maybe this procedure is okay. No, it's not properly maintained. Okay, so let me try now. Let me try to give an update. Okay, it's not changing up. Okay, so we can do one thing. We can just go back and try again because it is not reflecting. So go to VA01 again, create with reference and give a quotation and copy. So automatic availability check. Okay, what is behind the signs, we can see that later. We can see that, okay, how this is happening, what is happening behind that, what is an integration. That is a main part of integration, and we have integration with so PP and MM also. We are going to see that. Okay, let me check the condition now. Okay, let me give all these things. So if you fill up all these things, it will be fine. Okay, so here what is the condition type here? Okay, so let me maintain some condition type here. Okay, so for this particular material, let's see that. Okay, so the pricing procedure is the issue. That's fine. Okay, let me give a material and give some value here. Okay, now we can check for the incompletion. Okay, so let's close this one, and again it is showing for the GL account. Okay, let me check that. Okay, let me check that what is behind this, or else we need to create a new procedure for this. Okay. Okay, so I think something is missing over here. You can see that. What is that? Okay, I think everything is fine here, but why it is showing an error? So no GL account is found for this particular type. I think this combination, okay, this account assignment customer and this material combination, I think okay, so the backend, the problem is it's not properly connected in the finance, I think so. Okay, that is what we are getting an error. Okay, maybe we can try to change the account assignment and let's see what happens. Okay, right. So meanwhile I just complete this space. So let me complete this net weight and gross weight. Okay, that we can do. Okay. Okay. So now I can check that account assignment group. Okay, so I'll go for this billing. Okay, accounting. Okay, so let me try with any other sales. Okay, so let me try with now. No, it's coming. Okay, I think let me check with the header level. Okay, sorry, item level. Go with an item level and go with the account assignment. Okay, and billing document. Okay, so here. Okay, let's change something here. Okay, let's change something over here. Okay, I'll change it to this. Okay, let me see. Okay, any changes are happening. No, so I think it is not reflecting that. Okay, there is something is missing on this analysis. Okay. So there is something missing with this material and this particular customer. Okay, actually that is the problem here. So I think I need to check that. Okay, let me go for the analysis. Okay, so what is missing over here? So condition record has been found. Okay, it's okay, it's okay. Okay, so K004, okay, I think some condition record they have maintained. Okay, let me check with that. So K004. Okay, so let me try with this. Okay, so let me update this. Let me try. Okay, so I think some kind of okay, so I think some discount condition. I think some of the pricing procedure is wrong, maybe. Okay. Okay, I'll just try for. I will just get on a good pricing procedure. We need to find that. So now for the temporary case, let me check for the incompletion. No, still it is showing. Okay, there is problem with the incompletion. Sorry, there is a problem with the pricing procedure. So don't worry, we will take one pricing procedure, or else we can create one new pricing procedure and we can just see this one. Okay, yes. So we can see that, okay, what is happening behind that. So other than this, okay, everything is fine here. So other than this, everything is fine here. And you have one new screen also. You can see some schedule lines here. So if you click on the schedule line, there you can see the proposal. Okay, this is the proposal where we are going to work on this. Okay, so it is saying that, okay, 18, okay, so the confirmed quantity is 0, but 21 it can be delivered because based on our production days, right? Based on our production days. Okay, so we are planning to have a production, so the production will take 3 days to complete. So the 3 days is actually the commitment date for the customer. So after 3 days only we can able to deliver, right? So or else we cannot able to do anything on that. So that is what the condition we are maintaining over here. Okay, so this is one of the most important thing here. And the next thing what we are going to have is now we have got a clear idea. The stock is not there, right? The stock of this material is not there, right? It is very clear. So now if the stock is not there, this information regarding this order information should be transferred to the production, because that is the only option, right? They need to produce that. They need to start producing that. If they want to start producing that, what they need to do? So they need to get this information, right? They need to get this information. Means that there is an order came, so there is no stock. We need to complete this, and this completion also within 3 days. Okay, because that information as soon as possible it needs to reach the production, or else what will happen? They will not start the process. That information will be passed on from the sales through this option. You can see there is a procurement option here. So click on the procurement. So we have an option over here. So you have some requirement types, you can see. Okay, there are all the requirement types you can able to see. Based on this requirement type only we are getting this particular option. You can see it is asking for an individual customer order here. Okay, you can see individual customer order here. So based on this only, so we are getting the option here. So this requirement type only, actually it is pushing the data to the next level, to the production here. Okay, it is pushing the data. Okay, it is automatically pushing the data to the production here. Okay, so then only we will get that. So there is an integration point is there, that is called as transfer of requirement. We call it as TOR. So transfer of requirements. Okay, so that is what we are going to see on the next. Okay, how it is actually going there. So what is the touch point? Okay, what is the integration point? We can see that, and we are going to see that how it is going to happen to the production and how production is going to give that. Because between these two processes, okay, between this order and delivery, there is a very big process is happening, because the production has to work, the has to work, the finance has to work, all the department has to work to give this delivery. Because sales, we don't have any work. We given the order, but the order is not having the stock, in the sense this all department has to work on that. So that is one of the important criteria here we need to notice here. So we can see that, okay, we can see that how we can able to see that in between this sale order and delivery, what are the things are happening, okay, how it is happening, all these things we can see. Okay, so based on that we can see that one. And also we need to see the related to the logistics also, related to the shipping and all these things we need to see. So let's see that. Okay, so yes.